Emergency plans, your vocabulary lifeline in a natural disaster. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning video. Today we're diving into a crucial topic: emergency plans. In the context of natural disasters, it's important to understand and communicate effectively about the procedures we need to follow. So let's boost our vocabulary around this subject. An emergency plan is a set of instructions that you follow when a natural disaster or other dangerous situation occurs. This plan can include evacuation procedures, emergency contact information, meeting points, and other important details. Here are some keywords and phrases associated with emergency plans. 1. Evacuation. The process of moving people away from an area where they are in danger to a safer place. 2. Emergency contact. A person who should be contacted in case of an emergency. 3. Meeting point. A place where everyone agrees to meet, especially after evacuating a building or area. 4. Emergency kit. A collection of items you might need in an emergency, including food, water, and medical supplies. Now, let's learn how to use these terms in sentences, which can help you discuss emergency procedures effectively. 1. Evacuation. In the event of a fire, follow the evacuation signs to reach a safe location. 2. Emergency contact. Make sure to have your emergency contact's information easily accessible. 3. Meeting point. Our family's meeting point is the local library, in case we get separated during an evacuation. 4. Emergency kit. Every household should have an emergency kit ready with essential supplies. Role-playing scenarios can be a powerful way to practice your language skills. Let's consider the following dialogue. Person A: what's our emergency plan if there's an earthquake? Person B: first, we need to follow the evacuation procedure. Then we should meet at our meeting point, the park across the street. Also, remember that our emergency contact is Aunt Lisa. Finally, we have an emergency kit in the hallway closet. That's all for today's video on emergency plans. I hope this has enriched your vocabulary and made you feel more prepared to discuss and respond to natural disasters. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing these terms and phrases, and stay safe. Until next time, happy learning!